either third grade. I hope you remember the story that I read to you last week called Pancho Rabbit and the Coyote. And it was all about the dad who went to California to try to earn money for his family back in Mexico. And when he was on his way back, he was robbed by some other animals. And when Pancho went looking for him, the coyote helped him find his way to the dad. But then the coyote at the end, right before the end of the story, got super hungry and was about to eat Pancho Rabbit. And then the dad stepped in and everything turned out okay, and he rescued his son, and they all went back to Mexico together. The packet that you had received about Pancho Rabbit looks like this. We're going to do just a couple of pages in it, and I'm going to show you what I'd like you to do. So you're going to do the last page in the packet, which looks like this. This is called a close story, close to you. It means that we're filling in the blanks with the words from the word bank at the bottom. And so you have to identify the word that goes in each blank and make sure that it makes sense. So I want you, after you've figured out the word that goes there, I want you to reread the sentence and make sure that it makes sense. You can only use each of these words one time. Okay, you're going to do that page, and you're also going to flip back into the packet and do the page that looks like this. It's actually just one page at a time. So you're there, and you flip it, and you're here. So this is the page that I would like you to do. It identifies nouns on this page. They're all listed at the bottom, a big, long list of nouns. And then you need to put the nouns into each category. So the people will go here, animals, places, and things. Now I noticed a couple of things. First of all, they use the word money 2 times. So let's cross it off. I'm just going to cross off the one that's over here. I don't know why they used it twice. You don't need it 2 times. The other thing I noticed is that they have the word animals down here. And then they have a spot for animals up here. So I went ahead and I put the word animals in the section for animals. I guess that's what they want us to do. So I'd like you to pause the video, and I want you to go back now and do those 2 pages. And then click on it again when you're ready to correct. Okay, hopefully you had a chance to do both of those pages. I would like to go to the last page first, where it is the story. So I'm going to read the story out loud, and you can read it to yourself and make sure that you filled in the blanks with the correct words. With a cry, Pancho leapt for the door. He was the fastest animal back on the rancho, and normally he could outrun the coyote. But he was tired from the long journey. He could not reach the door. He could not reach the window. All he could do was huddle in a corner as the coyote slowly approached. So reread that to yourself and practice that paragraph to get some really nice reading going. You can practice reading out loud. On the other page that I asked you to do, where you listed all of the nouns in the different categories, here's what I have for each category. Let's hope you have the same ones. They do not have to be in the same order as I put them in there, but just make sure you have all of the words in the right place. In the people section, you should have written family, brother. In the animals section, you should have written rabbit, rooster, ram, coyote, snakes, and then animals. The places section should have fields, north, rancho, patio. And the things had the most: money, beans, rice, harvest, spring, rains, crops, carrot, lettuce, gifts, tortillas, door. I hope I didn't leave anything out. And next time I see you for Spanish, we will do some more things in this little packet. So again, keep it handy, keep the video handy, and we'll see you next time.